Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to Tree Boyz Wood. Tree Boyz Wood is our family business, but me and my brother Will own a separate business called A&W Wood Turning, where we sell pens and other wooden creations. But today we'll be talking more about Tree Boyz Wood. Here at Tree Boyz Wood, we sell all sorts of hardwoods that come from tree service greenways and sustainably harvested hardwoods. The name Tree Boyz comes from me and my brother's Minecraft account, which we shared, and on it we called ourselves the Tree Boyz. In mid-2014, our mom decided that we were going to start selling leftover wood from our dad's tree service, and that's where she got the name. But now we get our wood from other tree services. At Tree Boyz, we ship our products nationally. Me and my mom also travel together to about 3 wood turning symposiums a year to sell our other products. After we get the wood, it gets cut into blanks or logs that me and my brother seal. We also sometimes help with boxing the wood, but our mom usually handles that. Me and my brother will be taking over the Tree Boyz Wood YouTube channel, and we will say what else we will be doing in next week's video. Anyway, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.